Hello, my name is Jonathan from International University of Batam, and in this video I will talk about Japanese noodle as one of the assignments for Japanese language and culture in class 2 JLMA. As an introduction, what is Japanese noodles anyway? Japanese noodles, or we call them as men, are one of Japanese cuisine. Japanese noodles are often seen as convenient food and can be found everywhere in Japan, from traditional to instant noodles. Since Japanese noodles can be found at every corner in Japan, there are different types of Japanese noodles. This is because countless regional variations of noodles, and they can generally be grouped into a few broad categories such as udon, ramen, soba, yakisoba, somen, hiyamugi, shirataki, harusame. First is udon. Udon is a white and thick Japanese noodles made from wheat flour. It is commonly used in traditional hot Japanese noodle soup recipes. It is chewy and served in a savory dashi soup broth. Next is ramen, a type of Japanese noodles that originally from China with long and yellow noodles as its characteristics. Usually consists of huge bowl with seasoned broth, ramen noodles, meat, protein such as eggs and vegetables as seen in the picture. Next is soba, or buckwheat noodles, have a slight rougher, earthier flavors than other noodles, usually flavored with seasonings such as matcha green tea and other kind of leaf. Next one is yakisoba. Despite their name soba, yakisoba noodles do not contain any buckwheat in its ingredients. The name yakisoba refers to the barbecued Japanese noodles recipe. Somen, a very thin white wheat flour noodles, usually served cold with tsuyu as dipping sauce. Hiyamugi, a thin wheat flour noodle, almost identical to somen. Sometimes they are not only white but mixed with pink or green colored noodles. Shirataki, a thin translucent noodles that are made from konjac yam and are full of dietary fiber while low in carbohydrates and calories. And the last one is harusame, or so-called glass noodles, are made of potato starch and used commonly in salads or hot pot dishes. Since there are many types of noodles to cover, I will only explain one of the types, which is udon. So let's jump into a brief history of udon. No one actually knows the exact origin of udon, although there are several theories. The oldest one claims that udon came from China in the 700s. It became widely popular to the public during the Edo era in the 1600s. As it passed through generations, udon noodles also developed into many kinds of udon, such as Kanto-style udon, Kansai-style udon, tempura udon, and so on. Now, how to cook udon noodles? Some ingredients that you will need include: first, udon noodles. Second one is thinly sliced beef. The third one is negi, or Japanese long onion. The fourth one is dashi, or Japanese soup stock. And the last one is condiments: soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. And of course, optional toppings that you prefer, like narutomaki or fish cake, green onion, and more. With all the ingredients prepared, you can cook the udon noodles with these cooking steps. First, prepare dashi broth and add the seasonings to make udon soup broth. After that, stir-fry the negi or green onion and thinly sliced beef. Season them with soy sauce and sugar. Cook udon noodles according to the package instruction and drain well. And the last one is assemble udon noodles and broth in individual bowls. topped with cooked beef and other toppings of your choice. Of course, there are still many ways to cook soba noodles. This is only one of the recipes available online, so you can check description for more information about that. And lastly, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will be really helpful for you guys. And see you next time. Bye bye.